Welcome back to the topic Microservices and Centralized Logging. Today we'll discuss Logstash versus Fluentd. We'll also discuss when to use Logstash and when to use Fluentd. So we'll talk about the implementation, we'll talk about log routing, we will talk about the startup time, memory, reliability, and the learning curves. Okay, let's go to the first point, implementation. So Logstash is a Java implementation of Ruby language. In case of Fluent, it's a C implementation of Ruby language. Log routing. In case of Logstash, it's through writing if-else statement, and in case of Fluentd, it's routing based on tags. Startup time in case of Logstash is little bit higher than the Fluentd because of the Java implementation of Logstash. It's little bit slower. And in terms of memory, Logstash is taking 120 MB of memory for installation, and Fluentd is taking only 40 MB. Reliability, deployed with Redis for more reliability, and in case of Fluentd, there are built-in features and but difficult to configure. Learning curve, there are 200 plus plugins. Learning curve is less compared to Fluentd, but in case of Fluentd, learning curve is quite high. There are 500 plus plugins are there. Now the question is when to use Logstash and when to use Fluentd. Let's go there. Fluentd requires system root access or the sudo access for installation. It is not coming with zip or tar file format. So in some of the systems, you have a limitation where you cannot install any of the software. In that case, you cannot use Fluentd. Then you have an option for using Logstash because it supports just copy and paste software and run anywhere on Java platform. So apart from that, if you have a containerized solution like Docker, then you can go for any one of that tool is very powerful. Both the tools are very powerful, but the Logstash is much more suitable in the ELK stack. I mean Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Kibana. This video is a part of video series based on the topic microservices and centralized logging. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.